Plants grow. A plant is a living thing, but a plant cannot walk and run like people and animals do. Many plants grow in dirt. There are plants that grow in water, too. Plants usually start as seeds. There are many different kinds of seeds, and every different kind of seed grows into a different kind of plant. Some seeds grow into big trees. Some seeds grow into beautiful flowers, like these daisies. Some seeds grow into pumpkins. People then carve the pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns or make them into pumpkin pies. Some seeds grow into plants that make other delicious foods, like strawberries. To grow a plant, you dig holes in dirt and put seeds into the holes. A seed needs water to grow into a plant. The water can come from the rain, a watering can, or a hose. Soon the root of the plant begins to poke out of the bottom of the seed. The root grows down into the dirt. After a while, you begin to see the stem of the plant poke out of the dirt. It is reaching for sunlight and air. Plants need water, air, and sunlight to grow. Plants take water from the soil through their roots, and they take a gas called carbon dioxide from the air. They use sunlight to turn the water and carbon dioxide into food. Once a plant has grown, it has a stem and leaves. Sometimes it has flowers, too. Now you know how plants grow. So every time you smell a beautiful rose, or carve a pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern, or taste a delicious strawberry, or look up at a tall, tall tree, or eat your peas, remember that all these things came from seeds, and those seeds grew into plants because they had air, sunlight, and water.